Hi. Good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. So we'll be continuing our GATE PYQ series on these reasoning topics, right? Which topic we are discussing? So we are going to discuss this spatial aptitude, right? Two classes for spatial aptitude I was telling now. So today's class and day after tomorrow's class, right? Both classes will be for which one? This is spatial aptitude, right? Mostly we'll try to finish off within these two. Otherwise, on Monday it will be completed, you can say, right? Like that. Okay. So this is GATE PYQs of this general aptitude, right? Reasoning, you can say, everyone, right? Coming to this is my profile. You can follow me at which you can just scan this QR code to follow my profile. All of you get redirected to my profile, everyone. And what is that referral code you have to use always? rpcivil is a referral code you have to use always, you can say, right? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. And now these are all GATE 2023 toppers from Unacademy in top 10, you can say, right? Congratulations to all of them. Now if you are observing, a wonderful offer is going on, that is when you are using that referral code rpcivil, right, for all subscriptions, right, not only for GATE and ESE, whatever the subscription you are having now, for all the subscriptions, if you are observing, right, when you are using this referral code rpcivil, you will be getting this 20% discount on your subscription fee, right? So you can get these kind of things, right? And if you just observe what is that referral code you have to use, all of you, rpcivil is the code you have to use definitely now. So what is that code you have to use? rpcivil. And when you are taking this 12 months plus subscription, you will be getting 1 month extra, and 9 months is also introduced here, right? And iconic also, when you are taking 12 month subscription, you will be getting 1 month extra, and this offer is valid up to which one? 26th May only, right? This offer is valid up to this 26th May, and on 26th May you will be having many batches starting, all of you. So these are all the new batches starting May 26th. Environmental engineering by KP sir and surveying by myself will be starting, right? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. And now, so for 2025 also, this new batch will be starting. Same environmental engineering and surveying both will be started, you can say, all of you, right? So what is that referral code or enrollment code you have to use? rpcivil, all of you, right? And if you are unable to pay this entire fee at a time now, then you can go with which one? This is a no cost EMI option. That too on this 0% interest on this EMI will be there. You can just go for this, all of you, right? And now offline batches, right? Price drop starting from which one? This is 22nd to 31st May, all of you. When you are taking this offline coaching for 9 months, instead of 1,20,000, you will be paying which one? This 1 lakh only, right? 20,000 less. And 8 months if you are taking, right, instead of this 1,10,000, you will be paying that 90,000. So 20,000 off is there now. So don't miss this opportunity, all of you. Those who are willing to go with offline, you can just go for this, right? So the Ramnath House, Aurobindo Marg, Mehrauli, New Delhi, right? This is where we are having our offline center, you can say, right? You can just scan this QR code to join our Telegram channel. Scan this QR code to get all my classes replace, all of you. And now these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, right? So now this mathematical reasoning 25 questions we have done now, all of you. And after that, this is chapter 10 and next chapter, right? What is it? You can say spatial aptitude, you can say, right? What is that we are discussing now? Spatial aptitude, right? So spatial aptitude is mainly related to which one? It is mainly related to which one? This is a diagrammatic, right? What is that you can say? It is mainly related to which one? This is a diagrammatic reasoning, right? So diagrammatic one, you can say, if you just observe, right? As now, so diagrammatic aptitude or this reasoning, you can say, right? So based on these diagrams, right, what we need to do, we have to apply our analytical and reasoning skills, and we have to identify we have to solve the questions, you can say, right? Now coming to this is completely total 24th lecture on this GATE PYQs of all branches. So we are not going to discuss only civil questions, right? We are going to discuss which one? These all branch questions, you can say, right? All branches questions we are discussing GATE PYQs, right? So that it will be useful for, right? Spatial aptitude part 1, 24th May, right? 24 lecture and 24th May, you can say, all of you, right? And this is the first question, right? Shall I start the timer, all of you? Yes, I'll be starting the timer. I'll be giving how much time, right? 3 minutes time I'll be giving. You just start solving this and write your option there, all of you, everyone. Just try to write your option, all of you. Nobody answered. One and a half minute time is there. Yeah, Deepak, good evening. Pravalika, good evening. Pravalika said B. Any other answer by others? Because we could not do these questions in the last time, na? Yes or no? Last class we could not do them, na? Yes or no? That is what. Just only 12 minutes, and that went. Which one is private, na? That video went private, right? Yes or no? Deepak also said we. Any other answer by others? All of you? Forty-five seconds more time, all of you. Not minutes, seconds, sorry. 45 seconds. If we are 45 minutes wait, na, then this class will be over. So all 5 questions will be taking which one? Okay. Yeah, today is May 24th. Right. So the mirror image of the text about the x-axis, right? This is x-axis now. So mirror will be taken as a horizontal or vertical, everyone, right? That mirror will be taken as horizontal now. So whenever you are taking this as the mirror, right? So this will be considered as which one? This mirror, you can say. And how this will come if you just observe T is not? Is no? So this is I, right? How it will come if you just observe, everyone? This is how this R is not? This is A. Like that you are having, right? So which one is matching with that if you just observe, right? Option B is only matching, na? Yes or no? Option B is only matching or not? Yes, option B is only matching, you can say, if you just observe, right? Like that, isn't it? Right. Now second one, right? I'll be going for this question also, right? So what is it you can say? You just take it as which one? This YY axis, right? About this YY axis you take it, all of you. And now here also, okay, 2 minutes time I am giving. You just try to do it, right? 2 minutes. Within this 2 minutes you try to do it. I don't know, because generally I don't remember dates and everything mostly. Right. This is second question. Deepak said C. Pravalika also said C. Okay. 40 seconds more time. More time. Any other answer by others? Total 5 people, 5 people are online, but okay. One is mine. You two answered, right? Remaining two, who are they? Answer, right. So phylaxis, right? What is it? Phylaxis, you can see, if we just observe about this y means, right, how it looks like this now. So whenever with this, what you can say, option A and B can be eliminated or not? Absolutely right. So now what is that? You can say this is y, right? This is how you will get it, you will be getting, right? So this is which one? This A x I. Only we need to identify by means of which one? This yes na, yes or no? Only by means of this yes we have to identify, right? This we have to identify, right? Here directly S is given in this D, right? But here you have to be observing, right? Mirror image will be given, right? Option which option is correct now, right? Option C will be the correct answer or not? Yes, option C will be the correct answer, you can say, right? Remaining are cute fellows not answering, right? Okay, just to select this answer, right? This is your question number 3. This is mechanical engineering question. Select the answer of you. Deepak said D. $40 more time. Any other answer by others? So if you just observe it, how it was like, you can say how it was like, right? It is like na jigsaw puzzle has 2 pieces, right? One of the pieces is shown in the above. Which one of the given options for missing piece, right? Missing piece means left side piece, right? When assembled will form a rectangle. The piece can be moved, rotated or flipped to assemble with the above piece, right? So because all these pieces are like this, right, the above piece comes in this manner na. So now how it will come? If you just observe it, it will come like this only na. So now it will come like this na. Like this it will come if you just observe it, isn't it? Yes, na? This is only that original one, right? Yes or no? This is only that original one, right? And tell me which one is fixing here. If you just observe, you can say which one is fixing here. If you just observe, you can say all of you. Which one is fixing here, right? Which one is fixing here? If you just observe for this. So this one, if you just observe left side like this, you are having, right? 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 Okay, this can be fitted, right? Which one will be fitting? You can say everyone. Which one will be fitting exactly? So if you just observe in this now, so this is fitting, but this is not fitting, this is not fitting, this is not fitting, right? So C is not fitting, D is not fitting, B is not fitting, right? Which one is only fitting, everyone? A is only fitting or not, all of you? Which one is fitting? You can say, right, that A is only fitting or not, all of you? Yes, A is only fitting, you can say, right? A is only fitting if you just observe, right? Is it clear, everyone? Is not exactly matching, na? A is exactly matching or not? So A is the correct answer or D is the correct answer for this, everyone? A is the correct answer or D is the correct answer for this, everyone? That A will be absolutely the correct answer, na? Is that no? A will be absolutely correct answer or not? Yes, right? So shall I move to the next question, all of you? This is your fourth slide, you can say. Question number 4. No, you just try to answer this question, everyone. Whenever I am pressing, it is moving outside. Why? I don't know. अरे बाबा क्या हो रहा है इधर? One sec. Yeah. Okay. The timer started. Just solve this, all of you. Fourth one. This fourth question. Ghost entered. Yeah, Lina Ghost is entered. Thirty seconds more time. Yeah. How many number of squares you can add if you just observe? So you are asked to identify which one is the least number of squares that can be added, na? So now you have to add which one is the least number of squares to get that. You can say yes, na? Right, you have to be careful. Right. So Deepak said which one? Pravalika said A, that is 3 number of squares, and Deepak said D. So D means what? 6 number of squares, right? When you are adding this 3 number of squares, it will become this symmetrical, right? PQ becomes this line of symmetry, right? When this PQ becomes this line of symmetry, all of you, when this PQ becomes this line of symmetry, all of you, if you just observe here, what is it you are having? You mention it, right? Yeah, unique study said 4. Is it so? Line of symmetry means, right, if you wanted to make it as the line of symmetry, right, here 1 square we have to add, na? 1 square we have to add, na? So yes, right, absolutely right. And again one more thing, right, you can just add this one more square, na? So, no. So these 2 squares, yeah, mirror image, right? Yes, absolutely, we have to make this mirror image, right? By adding these 2 squares, that mirror image is formed, na? Yes, no, absolutely right. So now this one and this one are there already, and this one we have to add extra, na? Yes or no? So this one and this one will become the mirror image, na? And here one more square we have to add. and here one more square we have to add, right? Like that, total how many squares we have to add? Now the mirror image is formed or not? So left side of this PQ2 square, right side of this PQ2 square. So left side 1 square, right side 1 square, left side 1 square, right side 1 square, left side 1, right side 1, left side 2, right side 2, right? What is that? 3 plus 3, 6 na? So what is that? You can say total is 6 number of this squares we have to add, then only it will become this mirror image or not? Obviously, then only it will become this mirror image, right? Otherwise, will it become mirror image or that line of symmetry? It will never become, right? Like that. Is it clear, everyone? Clear, all of you? Yes or no? Is it visible? Are they visible or not? Should I draw them? Are they visible, everyone? Just I have drawn with these dotted lines. They are visible or not? These are the squares we wanted to add to make it which one? This is symmetrical, definitely, or mirror image. Is not? Is it clear? Right. So next. This is your fifth slide. Question number 5, right? Last question, right? That is, I'll be starting the timer, all of you. One sec. Okay. Select the answer of you. Because the spatial aptitude questions were not there before 2021, right? Why you are having only 2021 onwards? Before 2021, spatial aptitude topic was not there, right? Spatial aptitude topic was not there. You can say it like that, is na? So this was introduced in 2021 only. If you just observe, right? Okay, you have to be careful. 2021, 2022, 2023, 3 years questions only you will be having. Okay. Question number 5B. Deepak said B. Pravalika also said B. Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others? 30 seconds time is there, all of you? Previous question? Okay, I'll explain that, don't worry. Previous question you are asking, fourth question you are asking, Pralika? Okay. So here if you just observe, what is it? You can say a transparent square sheet above is folded along the dotted line. It is folded along the dotted line. Then the sheet will look like, right? How this sheet will look like if you just observe, right? So whenever you are folding, na, it will become, so it is like this. Whenever you are folding, it will become the mirror image, na. One will become the mirror image of this other or not? So one will become the mirror image of this other, you can say, right? This is the dotted line you are having. So this is the main line, you can say, and it is there up, it is like this up to this point you are having, you can say, just as, right? So now whenever you are folding this, right, this line will go that side, na. How it will go, right? This will go in this manner or not? This will go in this manner, you can say, absolutely, right? Is now. So B will be formed, right? Which option it will be correct, right? Option B only will be correct or not? Yes, that option B only will be correct. You can say it like that, is not right? So with this, today's class will be over, right? Okay, don't worry, I'll explain this one. So here, probably correct. What is that you are having, right? If you just observe, already this is one square existing, and this is one square existing, na? Yes or no? And what else you are having, right? These are the three squares you are having, na? Yes or no? These are the three squares you are having, right? And these are the squares, right? Already this is a figure existing, right? We wanted to make it symmetric, right? When you make it symmetric, if you are having this one side left side like this, then it will make the symmetry of these two squares. And if you are adding one more square like this, na, yes or no, it will make the symmetry of this one. Already this one and this one are having symmetry, right? This one, so left side 2, right side 2, right? That will make the symmetry, right? This side, sorry, this side 1 and this side 1, right? Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total how many are required? Tell me. This one added. One second. So here 3 added. Sorry, 5. 5 is the answer, na? Yes or no? Sorry. How many are required to make it? Okay. How many are needed? This one and this one. Okay. One second, right? This one are already existing, right? This one and this one, right? Yes, yes, 5. How many are required actually? Yeah, got the point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So minimum how many we have to add? 4 if you are adding. Is it possible? No. So 4 if you are adding, it is not possible. Means actual answer is which one? Actual answer is how much, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, na? Actual answer is which one? This actual is what? 5, na? But 5 is not there. So if you are adding 6 also, it will become, right, like that. Is not? Is that clear, everyone? Anyone having any doubts in our discussion still now? Anyone having any doubts? Anyone having any doubts, all of you? Down at mid square is missing. Which one? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, no? Yes, no? 5 only coming, right? 5 only coming up, right? Yes, no? This one, okay. It is already there. Okay. This one will come. Yes, no? Actually, okay, yes, yes, right, yes, here one more square will come, right? Here we have to add one more square, na? Yes, in this gap we have to add, right? Yes, 6 will be there, right? 6 will be there definitely, right? Here we have to add one square, na? Yes, in this gap we have to add one square. Yes, yes, correct. Total 6 is only correct, right? Yes, na? Is it clear, everyone? Anyone having any doubt in our discussion still now? If no doubts, I'll close the session, right? You can just follow my blog to get all my classes at a place. And just to follow my profile, just scan this QR code to get my profile, scan this QR code to join our Telegram channel, scan this QR code to get all my classes at a place. So thank you all of you. So we'll be having which one? This will be closing the session, right? Any doubts, anyone? If no doubts, then I'll close the session, right? If doubts are there, I'll just discuss those doubts, right? Any other doubts? Okay. Thank you guys, have a good